Hello, I am going to do this very quick random tutorial on how to do your makeup with just clean hands. All of my makeup brushes are dirty. I need to wash them. So we're gonna do our makeup today with just our clean hands. So first, start with clean hands. Then add your foundation and try and use a little spongy thing. Cover as much as you can. Don't add as much as you can, like that's not the point, but try and like spread it out as much as you can, if that makes sense, because then it'll just make blending easier once you do get to your hands. And then you also want to make sure you have wet wipes near, because we're going to be cleaning off our hands in between each step. So here we go. We're gonna take our hands, blend. Okay, we have our foundation blended. Now let's go in with a little bit of concealer, and you're gonna do the same thing. Apply your concealer, but you don't wanna add a crazy amount, but you wanna use your little sponge, kind of spread it out, right? And then go in with your fingers, tap, 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 tap. There we go. We've got our foundation and concealer. We're skipping the powder because how do you apply powder with your hands? You don't. Now we're gonna do our brows and mascara, which are easy because if you use a pen, just use the pen. Brows and mascara done. Now time for blush. My favorite part, you're gonna wanna use a liquid or cream blush, and this one from Rare Beauty is my favorite. It's in the color Joy. I'm gonna wipe this off because it's super, super pigmented, and I'm gonna take this on my fingers like this, and then we're gonna go like this, and then start tapping this onto our cheeks. Focusing this mainly on the outer part, and then any leftover, we'll bring it in towards the nose, but the majority of the color is going to be on the outside. So we got this nice wash of color. If you want to build, you can absolutely do that. It's so much easier to add color than take away. So we'll add just a little bit more, and we're just going to tap, 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 tap until it's nice and blended. And then any leftover, you can put on your chin and forehead just to balance out the colors. But there we go, we've got our face done. I'm gonna take that same color, put a little on my lips, and then go in with a gloss. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty one. This is in Gloss Bomb in Fussy. Boom, there you go. You got your makeup in under 10 minutes using just your hands.